Oh, order ako ng trapal ng e-bike.
It's day 3 of a 1,500-mile passage from Fiji to Australia. This isn't just another crossing for us. It's the last big sail we'll ever do on Delos, before we close this chapter for good and put all of our focus into building the new boat. Yesterday was about as good as it gets out here. Perfect breeze, flat seas, Delos just flying along. But today, well, the ocean decided it didn't want to let us go that easy, and she's throwing everything she can at us to make sure this final sail is one whole.
Yesterday was such a fun night.
Ito yata yung nasa... 2.5 yan eh, naka-menos ako. Tapos ganito siya.
Magkabit yan.
So, dalawa yung galon. Ang ganda! Sulit na sulit yung naghihintay mo. Black ang pinili ko. Leather. Ang ganda. Tapos meron siyang white para paggabi. Makikita na ako sa sa dilim.
Oo.
Diba? Reflector tawag.
Tingnan mo, tapos gagastos ka ng magkano yun? Travel pa sila.
Oo
10,000.
nga. Nag-isip din ako noon.
Is over.
Ano yan,
This one,
pangan?
wind came up and
Stainless?
changed angles, so we're a little bit harder on it right now.
Yay!
Trying to maintain an angle of just over 50 degrees, maybe 55.
Ilan saan naman yan?
Ganda. Ito yung sa side siguro. Sa side to. Ayan,
We
sa
were going
gilid.
fast, but
Sa gilid ko to.
it's not exactly comfortable. It's about 6.
Ah, sa passenger clear kasi kailangan mo makita yung
It's
image.
starting to come
Yung
up.
side by
See it
side.
right there. And it's sporty.
Isang mahaba.
Sa gilid yan. Isa ito ba isa?
Good morning, Sierra.
Sa likod yan.
How are you feeling? Are you feeling better? Sierra had been down for the
Ito sa part
the
ng
last
bulong
few
ko.
days.
So ito yung
She got a
sabay.
little bug right before we leave Fiji, and this was about as lively as we've seen her so far in the passage, which isn't saying very much.
Ganda.
Ah, hindi na siya yung ano?
Did you get that?
Hindi, gulong sa gulong yan eh. Gulong sa yan.
Yeah. I
Opo.
understand that. It's fascinating.
Bakit?
Even the word